Do you think you need to spend thousands of dollars to get a drone with GPS, obstacle avoidance, brushless motors, and high-resolution cameras? Think again. In 2026, there are plenty of affordable drones offering impressive features like dual cameras, GPS positioning, optical flow hovering, 3-axis gimbals, foldable designs, and even advertised 8K video. But which one is actually worth buying? Today, we're counting down the top 5 best drones of 2026, starting with number 1 and going all the way to number 5. We'll look at the key features, what each drone does well, the pros and cons, and who it's best suited for. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Lenovo V198 Max GPS Drone. This drone is designed for users who want a feature-packed aerial camera platform without moving into expensive professional drone territory. According to the listing, the V198 Max features an 8K/4K HD camera system, GPS positioning, brushless motors, laser obstacle avoidance, and a foldable quadcopter design. The brushless motors should provide better efficiency and smoother operation than basic brushed motors, while GPS can help with positioning and flight-related functions. Its foldable design is also useful because you can transport the drone more easily when traveling. Pros: GPS positioning, advertised 8K and 4K camera capability, brushless motors, laser obstacle avoidance, foldable design, designed for aerial photography, portable quadcopter design. The Lenovo V198 Max is a strong choice for buyers looking for a combination of GPS, brushless motors, obstacle avoidance, and a high-resolution camera. It's particularly appealing for beginners and casual aerial photography users who want more features than a basic toy drone. Number 2. GT8 Professional GPS Drone. This model combines a dual camera setup with GPS, FPV functionality, brushless motors, and optical flow hovering. The drone is also foldable, making transportation easier. One of the most interesting features here is optical flow hovering. This technology can help the drone maintain a more stable position, particularly during low-altitude flight. The listing also advertises 4K and 8K camera capabilities, giving it strong appeal for buyers looking for high-resolution aerial footage. Pros: dual cameras, GPS, brushless motors, optical flow hovering, FPV functionality, foldable design, advertised 4K/8K camera support. The GT8 is a good option for users who want GPS, dual cameras, FPV, and brushless motors in one affordable package. It offers a nice balance between features and portability, making it worth considering for recreational flying and aerial photography. Number 3. L200 Plus GPS Drone. This is one of the most interesting drones on our list for photography. The L200 Plus features a 4K professional HD dual-lens camera, a 3-axis gimbal, GPS, brushless motors, and 360-degree laser obstacle avoidance. The 3-axis gimbal is especially important. A proper mechanical gimbal can help keep the camera stable while the drone is moving, which can produce smoother footage than a camera that relies entirely on electronic stabilization. The foldable design also makes this drone easier to carry. Pros: 3-axis gimbal, dual-lens camera, GPS, brushless motors, 360-degree obstacle avoidance advertised, foldable design, designed for aerial photography. If you're mainly interested in smoother aerial footage, the L200 Plus stands out because of its advertised 3-axis gimbal. For photography and video-focused users, this could be one of the more interesting options on the list. Number 4. XT606 Max GPS Camera Drone. This drone is aimed more towards recreational users and beginners who want a fun camera drone with useful extras. The listing advertises 4K and 8K HD camera capabilities, FPV functionality, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, and a foldable quadcopter design. One of its biggest advantages is the 3-battery package, which can be useful for extending your total flying session without constantly waiting for a battery to recharge. Pros: 3-battery package, advertised 4K/8K camera, FPV functionality, 360-degree obstacle avoidance advertised, foldable design, beginner-friendly concept, good for recreational flying. The XT606 Max is a good option if you want multiple batteries and recreational flying features. Having 3 batteries can be especially useful if you want longer flying sessions without carrying a separate power bank or waiting for a recharge. Number 5. Xiaomi SG901 Max GPS Drone. This model features a foldable design, brushless motors, GPS, obstacle avoidance, and an advertised 8K aerial camera. It also comes with a larger screen remote controller, which can make FPV flying and camera monitoring more convenient. The combination of GPS, brushless motors, folding design, and a dedicated screen on the controller gives this drone an attractive feature set for recreational pilots. Pros: GPS, brushless motors, advertised 8K aerial camera, obstacle avoidance, folding design, larger screen remote control, portable design. So, those are our top 5 best drones of 2026. The Lenovo V198 Max offers a feature-rich combination of GPS, brushless motors, obstacle avoidance, and high-resolution camera specifications. The GT8 stands out with dual cameras, GPS, FPV, and optical flow hovering. The L200 Plus is especially interesting for aerial photography because of its advertised 3-axis gimbal. For photography and video-focused users, this could be one of the more interesting options on the list. The XT606 Max is worth considering if you want multiple batteries and recreational flying features. Having 3 batteries can be especially useful if you want longer flying sessions without carrying a separate power bank or waiting for a recharge. And finally, the Xiaomi SG901 Max combines GPS, brushless motors, obstacle avoidance, folding portability, and a larger screen remote controller. But remember, don't choose a drone based only on an 8K label. Sensor quality, stabilization, flight control, GPS reliability, battery life, obstacle avoidance, and actual video quality are much more important than the resolution number printed on the product page. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more product reviews and buying guides.